lotion, and our food coloring. So yeah, it's getting pretty good. I just wanted to add some lotion, and if you're yes, you can. Alright, so we're just gonna add in the lotion really quick. You could add. Actually, I want to kind of add the food coloring in first, so we're going to do that. We don't want to get the mess all over the table, so it's okay. I'll get it off of your hands. I'm going to be putting this back into the bowl because it's just going to get a mess everywhere. Frankie. Anyways, so I'm making it like this, like flatten it out around the bowl.
Uh-oh, your mom's calling.